Ready to dive into high-end gaming with a pre-built PC under $3,000? Then you're in for a treat. Meet the Thermaltake LCGS View 7880S-380, a beast of a machine priced at $2,999.99. It's rocking the Ryzen 7 7800X3D, RTX 5080, 32GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-quick 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. So the real question is, does it live up to the price tag? Absolutely, and it's not just about the powerful hardware. This rig comes fully assembled and pre-configured. No messing with OS installs, no driver hunts, just unbox, plug it in, and dominate. That kind of plug-and-play experience is worth every penny. But before we dive into performance numbers, let's take a fast tour through the hardware. At the heart is the Ryzen 7 7800X3D, a powerhouse 8-core 16-thread CPU that hits up to 5 GHz. Thanks to 3D V-Cache tech, it delivers a huge performance boost in gaming. We broke this down in a previous video, so check that out if you haven't already. The GPU is the RTX 5080 with 16GB of GDDR7 VRAM. NVIDIA claimed the 5070 is a 4090 level card, but the 5080, now that gets close. Seriously close. Let's fire up some benchmarks to show what this setup can really do. Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p Ultra, ray tracing cranked to Psycho, DLSS 4 frame gen at 4x. This beast averages 190 to 200 FPS. Insane. Stalker 2, same resolution on ultra settings, runs buttery smooth at 80 to 90 FPS, even without DLSS. Forza Horizon 5 at 1440p maxed out, you're looking at a glorious 160 to 200 FPS. And yes, we tested Valorant. Not that you need this much power, but just for fun. 1440p low settings give you 600 to 800 FPS, peaking around 900. Wild stuff. No kidding, this machine is absolutely loaded. You'll have no problem running modern titles at max settings and staying future-proof for upcoming releases. Now let's talk memory and storage. You're getting 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which is overkill for gaming and great multitasking, productivity, or even some casual rendering. Heavy workloads? Sure, consider upgrading. The 1TB Gen 4 SSD is wicked fast, perfect for games, but yeah, you'll probably want more space down the line. Interested in this rig? The purchase link is in the description box below. We've also included links for extra storage and RAM upgrades. Bonus tip for the future: if ever you want more CPU power, you can swap the 7800X3D for the 9800X3D. No need to change the motherboard or PSU. Just a quick drop-in upgrade. QR code for that's included too, or hit the link in the description box below. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!